a bouncy egg. The things that we need for this experiment is vinegar, egg, and a cup. Put the egg into the cup. Then add vinegar in it, making sure the egg is completely covered. Now leave it for 3 days. Mishi, can you tell me how these eggs work? The egg shell is made from calcium carbonate. When you add the egg into the vinegar, you see tiny bubbles. These bubbles are produced by a chemical reaction between the acid in the vinegar and the calcium carbonate. The egg's membrane absorbs the vinegar and thickens it. The strong membrane allows the egg to bounce and squeeze. Even the yolk and the egg white is still in the egg. So if you bounce it from a high level, it can still break. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more